Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm going to make a short video on the Supra, and it's replacing your hood lift supports. There's too many of you guys out there that keep using a stick to just hold your hood up when you can spend 30 to 40 bucks in 5 minutes of your time so you can have actual functioning lift supports. Now mine have recently just started wearing out, so my hood is falling. And I was like, oh, too many of you guys do not have functioning lift supports and you keep a stick right here. Get rid of the stick and then let's replace these things. Let's see how long it's actually going to take. I think it's going to take like 5 minutes. Oh, it's actually staying up. I'm actually going to use a pair of vice grips to hold this thing down. So I'm going to show you how to do it so you guys can stop making excuses on using that dang stick. So let's get into it. So I just picked up a cheap pair of lift supports. These were 15 a piece. You can pick up Moog, you can pick up TRW, whatever your heart desires. All right, so let's get our vice grips. Just pop them on here. You know, you guys can use this stuff too. You don't have to use a stick. All right, let's go ahead and tackle this side. Usually on here, there's a little pin that you just pop out, turn sideways, and then it'll pull out. Mine is gone. I don't know where it went. I think I might have taken it off by accident one time. But literally you just put a pry bar in here. You're gonna lift up on the hood just a little bit, and that's going to pop out of its joint right there. So that side is nice and secure. Let's go ahead and get the bottom one off. Now the bottom one actually still has that pin on it. And let me go ahead and release it. Yeah, you can see the pin right here. Bring it up, pull that out, and then do the same thing here. You can actually just push on it. You don't need the pry bar. Now, if your swivel balls are rusted and corroded, inside of your new lift supports, they will have the new pivot balls to install, but these ones are totally fine. I'm just going to reuse them. So with this one, this is an all-in-one locking mechanism. So what we just need to do is pop it on there and then come up to the top. And then pop this top one on. There we go. This side is done. That took 3 minutes. No, that took just barely 2 minutes. Now let's get the other side. All right, done. All right, so that actually took me about 3.5 minutes to do. And we have a fully functioning hood again. Oh yeah, voila. That wasn't so hard, was it, guys? I gotta give you guys some shit every now and then. Anyways, if you guys want some hood supports, I will go ahead and link some of my favorites down in the description below. And if you guys found this helpful, sweet, awesome. Glad to help you guys out and stop using that stick. If you want to support my channel, you can go ahead and pick up some merch. I will have the link in the description below. You can pick up one of these OG shirts. You can pick up one of these hats. I will have 2 more designs as well. And yeah, like always, I'll catch you guys on the next ride.